Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install 3uTools on your Windows PC or Mac. 3uTools is a powerful and completely free utility that lets you manage your iPhone or iPad with ease, including data transfer, backups, flashing, jailbreaking tools, and even virtual location. Everything in one place, without the headaches. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, Chrome, Edge, or whichever you prefer. In the search bar, type 3uTools. You can also use the direct download link in the video description for quicker access. From the search results, make sure to select the official website, 3u.com. Once you're on the home page, click the download button, then choose the download option for your operating system, Windows 64-bit or Windows 32-bit. The download will begin shortly, and you'll see the file appear at the top right corner of your browser. When it's finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. If needed, right-click and select Run as administrator for a smooth installation. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Quick Install. If you'd like to install it on a different drive, choose Custom Install and select your preferred location. Once everything is done, click Start Now to open 3uTools. Now just connect your iPhone or iPad using a USB cable, and you're ready to explore all the amazing features. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Feel free to drop any questions below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.